Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This video is going to be focused on how I personally started making money online. Now, I want to start by saying that each and every person has been born with a specific or a particular gift. We've all been given different gifts and different talents in which we were born with that we are able to use to our advantage. So for many, many years of my life, I would research how to make money online, and there would always be a different way. There would always be a different method. Someone would be saying they make money this way, and another person would say they make money this way, etc., etc. And, I always found the most value in the guys that would kind of focus on teaching you to work on your inner self first, work on your skill set, work on your inner self, work on upgrading, your level of thinking and level of consciousness. I've always taken the most value from these kinds of guys, and that's not to say that you'll take the most value from these types of guys. That's just what my personal experience is. The gift I've been given has been personal growth and upgrading my level of thinking and thinking from a higher level of consciousness. I have tried many, many things that haven't come to my success. And I guess this has been the foundation in building my life to where I've got to and being able to make money online now. It's like if I hadn't tried all those things, I wouldn't have got to the place where I got to, where I was able to make the money online. So a little bit of my backstory, guys. I started learning how to cut opal and got interested in gemstones 3 years ago. That's where my interest was. That's where my real passion is. And that's where you're going to find your way to make money online. The thing you're truly interested in, and the thing you want to learn about every day, and learn more about this particular subject every day, whatever it may be for you. It could be camping, it could be a sport, it could be a particular type of food. It could be literally anything you have a deep love and passion for and have, those kind of skills where they're just kind of acquired so easily. It's like you've been given that gift, if you know what I mean. So you want to take this gift you've been given and put it online. So for me, for instance, I went down to the lapidary club and I learned how to cut basic gemstones, and then that led me to cutting opal. And so I learned how to cut opal, I learned about gemstones, and then I started up just a simple store online selling my work, selling gemstones. And then I progressed in that. And now I'm at a spot where I am selling lots of gemstones online, lots of opals online. And you see, I got to that place because I progressed in that thing that I loved, in that passion. And that's what you guys need to do. If you go and search up how to make money online, there's going to be an infinite amounts of ways to make money online, but most of those ways aren't going to work for you if it's not what your heart is set on. And that's the main kind of focus I want to point out to you guys. So this is the secret in how to make money online. You need to find something you want to continually progress in, continually become better in, continually learn more and more and more and more about it every day. That's kind of the secret to making success online. I've tried drop shipping, I've tried copywriting, I've tried all these things, and all these things didn't work for me. I didn't understand it. It's like the things that come easy to some guys don't come easy to me, and the things that come easy to me don't come easy to other guys. You've been given a unique perspective, you've been given a unique way that you look at life, and you kind of have to follow what's in your heart, what you have a deep passion for and a deep love for, and something you want to learn about. And that's kind of where the magic is, guys. That's kind of how you find your unique way to make money online. Another important thing is, using your imagination and standing out from the crowds, creating something different. You have the power to imagine things that have never been imagined before. You have the power to, create things that stand outside of the normal just by thinking outside the box. There's massive power in this, and if you utilize this to your advantage and, take this skill online, this is also another way you can stand out from everyone. You've got to just be yourself, believe that you can think different, believe that, you can create something new from your imagination, and something will come that you will be able to, brew up in your imagination and give to the world. It's like your gift that you're giving to the world. And so what you want to do, guys, is you want to, find as many videos as you can of people and how they make money online, and just take from them what works for you. Take the information they're giving you and just listen to the things that might work for you, and even, write down the things that are of value to you that they're teaching you. So for instance, a business model I have looked a lot at in the past has been drop shipping, and something that I never really, was good at or kind of succeeded at. And even though, I never started a successful business in drop shipping, having a shot at it and having a go at it taught me how to, set up a website. Now from that, I've taken that and used it in my own opal business, in my own gemstone business now. So you see, if I didn't have a go at trying to do drop shipping and failing there, I would have never learnt to be able to create a website. But now, I have that skill of learning how to create a website just from failing at drop shipping, so it's like each thing you have a go at, you take things from that failure into your success. It's like those things will roll over into your success. And that's why it's so important to, try as many things as possible, have a go at as many things as you believe you can make happen. And even if those things don't happen and you don't succeed at those things, you'll learn things and take skills and values into your next thing, that even if it doesn't become a success, you'll learn more things, and eventually these things will roll over and you'll be able to use all these things in the thing you do become successful at. And so making money online, guys, it's not an easy game, and it takes lots of hard work and dedication. It's like building muscle at the gym. You need to go through pain, adversity, you need to live correctly and be in a progressive overload, and work, and keep consistent, and slowly but surely over time, you start to build muscle. And this is the same thing with online business. You can't start a business and then expect to make money instantly. You need to progress at it, you need to work at it, you need to fail and just keep progressing, keep consistent, keep going, keep consistent. And slowly but surely, you'll find ways to crack the code of making money online in your unique and particular way. So I want to leave you with this, guys. Whatever it is you want to do in life, you first need to have the seeds of self-belief and self-confidence from within inside you. You need consistency and not giving up, never giving up. Those are the foundations. Then with that needs to come obsession. You need to become obsessed about the thing you want. You need to become obsessed about whatever it is you think success is to you. If you can marry these things together, you'll be on the path to creating the thing you want. That's all it takes, guys. That's all it takes. I hope you've gained something from this message, and I wish you all of the best luck on your journey. And thank you for listening to my message, guys. As always, big love, and we'll see you on the next video.